One of the hardest things that I've ever had to do was hold myself accountable and look myself in the face and said, if you would not have reacted this way, if you would not have done this, the outcome would have been completely different. No, we cannot change what other people do to us, but we change how we respond to it. We have to actually accept and admit that I overreacted. I could have not responded this way. I could have walked away. I can't keep making excuses for my bad choices because I'm going to continue to blame everybody else other than myself. Forgive myself, forgive yourself, and then make a better choice next time. Hopefully, you're not faced with the same challenge again. But if you are, you'll know what to do better next time. Give yourself some grace. We all make mistakes. If we didn't, we would never learn anything. Remember that.